Hey everybody, we're gonna be going to Walmart soon. I did my makeup, so yeah, this is my makeup. Anyways, we're gonna be going to Walmart soon, so I'm excited about that. Um, Getting my cigarettes today and everything. I got a cough right now, and I'm having a little tiny bit of breathing issues from my asthma and everything. Um, but yeah, I know I need to quit smoking, but it's a hard habit to break, and I'm very addicted to it, so it's really hard. But yeah, I just started getting a cough this morning and last night, so I got a cough now. So it's not right now, but I have had a cough for a little while now, so yeah.